Can we please pray for them? The date is the 28th at Lefarahama. It will be on a Saturday. We will be right here in the church from 10 a.m. God bless them. Mr. Kong. Oh, Mr. Pico.
Yeah, which one is your celebration? Let's give them This is Mespike's daughter.